Hello everyone. Now बच्चे we are going to do the last illustration of chapter subsidiaries. We are going to finish this chapter today. In the last question we have to prepare journal proper. Now what is journal proper? There are certain entries which are not recorded in any of the subsidiary books. Like in cash book we record only cash transactions. Credit transactions are ignored in it. Credit transactions are related to goods and assets. And in purchase book we record credit purchase of goods only, not of credit purchase of assets. And in sale book we record credit sale of goods only and not the credit sale of assets. So where these transactions will be recorded? Few transactions are not recorded in cash book and few transactions are not recorded in purchase book and sale book. Where those transactions will go? They will be recorded in journal proper. A simple journal entry we will pass for those transactions, and this format is called journal proper because it includes only few transactions. Only few transactions journal proper includes, not the complete transactions. In simple journal question we record each and every transaction, but in journal proper we record only those transactions which are not recorded in cash book and subsidiary books. So have a look on illustration number 8. Record the following transactions in journal proper of Messrs Mukesh Traders 2018. They are just the simple journal entries, but very few. March 5th, Sunil, who owed us rupees 50,000, was declared insolvent and 40 paisa is received as full and final dividend. Means there was a person who was having 50,000, who have to give us 50,000. He have paid 40%. 40% means 20,000 he have paid. It must have been recorded in cash book. Rest 60% are bad debts. Means 30,000 are bad debts. They are not recorded at all in cash book and in any of the other subsidiary book. So where it will be gone? It will be recorded in journal proper. A simple journal entry: bad debts account debit. Bad debts account debit to Sunil, the name of the person. Debit all expenses and losses, credit the giver. Now 30,000 is our pure loss. It will not be recorded at all. Bad debts account debit to Sunil. Next transaction: an old machinery was sold to Kailash on credit. So this was a credit transaction not recorded in cash book, and this was a transaction related to asset. So it will not be recorded in purchase book also, sale book also. So we will record this entry in journal proper simply by passing simply journal entry. Old machinery is sold to credit on credit. Debit the receiver, credit what goes out. For every transaction you have to follow the rules. Debit the receiver, credit what goes out. Kailash debit to machine account and the cost was 10,000. After 10th, on 12th March, proprietor withdrawn for personal use cash worth rupees 10,000. It must have been recorded in cash book, and goods worth rupees 4,000. So only the entry of goods is remaining. All cash transactions we will ignore because they must have recorded in cash book, already recorded in cash book. So he have used goods. So now we will record drawings account debit to purchase account rupees 4,000. Debit all expenses and losses. Personal expenses are called drawings. Debit all expenses and losses, credit what goes out. On 15th, goods worth rupees 40,000 destroyed by fire. It have not recorded anywhere. Loss by fire account debit to purchase account. Rupees 40,000. Now on 20th March, insurance company admitted a fire insurance claim 25,000. They have admitted, they have just promised us that they are going to give us the money, not they have paid. So insurance company became our debtor and we have reduced our loss by fire. Rupees 25,000. They have admitted that they are going to give us 25,000, yet they have not paid. So we will record insurance company as our debtor. Insurance company account debit to loss by fire account. We will reduce our loss by fire. On 22nd March, a bills receivable for 10,000 endorsed to Mr. Mehta. What is endorsement? You have taken a bill from someone and you have given it to someone else. So this is endorsement. So debit the receiver, Mr. Mehta. Credit what goes out? Bills receivable. You have given a bills receivable to Mr. Mehta. Debit the receiver and credit what goes out. Rupees 10,000 was the cost of that bill. Now 31st March, wages are outstanding to the extent of 15,000. Wages to outstanding wages account 15,000. They are just the simple journal entries which you have already cleared, the chapter which is completed already. Prepaid insurance, last is insurance prepaid at the end of the year. So prepaid insurance is our asset and insurance will be reduced. Insurance expense rupees 2,000. Outstandings are liability, so they will be recorded in credit side, and all assets prepaid are assets and all assets are recorded in debit side. Just finish. We have to record all those journal entries which are not recorded in cash book and any other subsidiary book. Those transactions will be recorded in journal proper and they are just the simple journal entries, nothing more than that. Now this was your illustration number 8. Now have a look on illustration number 9. This is a puzzle for you, or maybe this will be your test also. This is the illustration number 9, and in this illustration you have to pass journal entry first, or they have just said the prepare appropriate subsidiary books. So first of all, you will prepare a cash book. All cash transactions will be recorded there. Then you will prepare the different subsidiary books. For credit purchase you will prepare purchase book. For credit sale you will prepare sale book. Then credit purchase return will be recorded in purchase return book. Then sale return will be recorded in sale return book. And those entries which are not recorded anywhere will be recorded in journal proper. Means this is the revision of the whole chapter which you have done with a lot of videos you have done already. So this is just a test of your learnings and you have to solve. This was the last question. You have to solve all the 10 questions in your notebook. Thank you.